Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I want to show you how to create the broken glass effect on your videos. So if you want to create a broken glass effect where you've actually punched into it, then let me show you how to do this. So for this, you'll need to go to your App Store or your Play Store. You need to search for InShot. This is a video editor. It's free of charge, so go ahead and download it. Once downloaded, go ahead and open the app. In the app, tap on video. Go ahead and upload a video. Now here in the timeline at the bottom, go ahead and find effects. Tap on effect again. And now go ahead and swipe left until you see glass. And from here, you can go ahead and find shatter. If you have the pro version, you can go ahead and use all these other effects called crack, fracture, shard, stripe, grid. However, for now, since we're only using a free version of it, we can go ahead and use shatter, tap on the tick. And now you want to go ahead and move where exactly you have punched it. So say for example, I've punched it right here. So I can go ahead and move that effect to start from there. Now when I press play, the effect then will be applied to that video. So there you go guys, that is how to create the broken glass effect on your videos using your mobile phone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.